In this video, we are going to see a poem, Beauty of Nature. Before that, let us see some words and their meanings. Mountain. Large landform rises above the surrounding land in a limited area. Valley. Low area of a land between mountains or hills. Plain. A flat area. Island. A land which surrounded by water. Desert. A land which covered with sand. Ocean. A large water body. Akin. Similar. Let us move to the poem now. We are all living in the beautiful world. Yes, nature is always beautiful. I think you also feel that. Beauty of nature. Mountains are the highest. Mountain is a large landform rises above the surrounding areas. So mountains are the highest. Valleys are the lowest. Valley is a low area of a land between mountains or hills. So valleys are the lowest. Plains are the flat like a mat. Plains are flat areas. So they are like a mat without any ups and downs. It's a flat area. Don't we all know that? Yes, we all know that. We already learned in the last lesson. We all know that. Islands have water all around. So island is a land which surrounded by water. Thousands of these can be found. We can see thousands of islands all around the world. Have you seen in the map? Yes. Deserts have sand and palm trees. Desert is a land which covered with sand. So you can see sand and palm trees in the desert. Have you seen the desert? Oceans have waters from many seas. So many trees join together and make the ocean. So oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. So we are all living in the beautiful planet, that is the earth. There is no other place that is akin. There is no other place in the world, in the space, like a earth. So earth is the beautiful place where we live. Let us read the poem now. Beauty of nature. Mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest. Plains are the flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and palm trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin. So children, we all have a beautiful world. So we have to save the nature.